Hello student, how are you? I am going to start the tension of कन्फ्यूगेशन। इसके पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कार्बन, क्रेल कार्बन, एसिमेट्रिकल कार्बन, स्टीरियो सेंटर और स्टीरियोजेनिक सेंटर। Carbon is a tetravalency. If the tetravalency of carbon saturated by the different atom or group of atom, then this type carbon is called chiral carbon, asymmetrical carbon, stereo center or stereogenic center carbon. In given example here, the tetravalency of carbon saturated by the A, V, C and X all is a different. In given example, hypothetical, the tetravalency of carbon saturated by the A, B, C and X atom. The movement of light clockwise. It means it is a dextro form, optically active. The tension in configuration means that the symmetry of the substrate before and after reaction is same. Second, during a reaction, when the configuration of chirality center remain unchanged, means before reactions and after the reactions, the configuration of chiral carbon or stereocenter or stereogenic center or asymmetrical carbon is similar, then is called a tension of configuration. If in a chemical reactions the spatial arrangement of bond at an asymmetrical center remain preserved, that it would be now as a tension of configuration. एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल लिखते हैं. See the tetravalency of carbon saturated by the A, V, C and X. This carbon is called chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon, stereocenter or stereogenic center. During the nucleophilic substitution reactions, Y as a nucleophile substituted X of reactant. Around the asymmetrical carbon A, V, C and Y. Before reactions, the rotation is clockwise, V to C. After reactions, means after nucleophilic substitution reactions, remain rotation dextroform, means clockwise. Then is called nucleophilic substitution reactions progress in a reactant and form is a product. What? In reactant clockwise rotation as well as in product clockwise rotation, then is called a tension of configuration. In another example, C is a chiral carbon because the tetravalency of carbon saturated by the one is a CH3, second is a H, next is a C2H5 and last one is CH2OH. The counting of the carbon start from the functional group 1, 2, 3, 4. the name of this 2 methyl butane 1 all. 1 लिखते नहीं बेटा, तो butanol. It is a levorotatory, means the rotation of light left side is called levoform. The reactant react with HCl. Alcoholic group means hydroxide group substituted by the halide or chloride. C H CH2 CH3 and CH2. OH alcoholic group attached with symmetrical carbon. This carbon is not asymmetrical chiral carbon, stereogenic carbon or stereocenter, because this carbon bonded with 2 hydrogen, then it is a symmetrical carbon. CH2 is CH2OH. One is a group of the atom attached with asymmetrical carbon, chiral carbon, stereogenic carbon or stereocenter carbon. The nucleophilic substitution reactions not progress with asymmetrical carbon. Nucleophilic substitution reactions progress with CH2OH group of the atom which attach to asymmetrical carbon, and OH substituted by the halide or chloride nucleophile. कहने का मीन्स ये है कि क्रेल कार्बन से न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस प्रोग्रेस नहीं करती है. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस उस कार्बन से प्रोग्रेस होती है जो कार्बन एसिमेट्रिकल नहीं है, वह एसिमेट्रिकल कार्बन से अटैच है. Then this is called retention of configuration. Before the reactions and after the reactions, around the chiral carbon or asymmetrical carbon or stereocenter carbon or stereogenic carbon, configuration of atom or group of the atom is similar. It is called retention in a configuration, and product is counting ऐसे होगी बेटा 1 2 3 4. 1 chloro, 2 methyl butane, and this is a dextrorotatory. It means rotate right side. The retention of configuration is an example of nucleophilic substitution reactions. In given example, again C is a asymmetrical or chiral carbon or stereogenic center, and this carbon is attached with chiral carbon, and OH attached with symmetrical carbon because 2 hydrogen attached with this carbon. It reacts with HCl. Nucleophilic substitution reactions carry out with किसके साथ carry out हो रही है? जो आपका symmetrical carbon है. Then around the chiral carbon, configuration is similar. It means before the reactions and after the reactions, the configuration is similar. Then is called retention in a configuration after the nucleophilic substitution reaction. ये भी बेटा एक न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस का एग्जाम्पल है जहां पर चिरल कार्बन के चारों ओर जो आपके अरेंजमेंट था एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम का वह सिमिलर है बिफोर द रिएक्शंस एंड आफ्टर द रिएक्शंस। थैंक यू वेरी मच।